Our undergraduate economics and management course, taught at our Marylebone campus, will give you the skills to analyze companies and industries within a global context, using live and historical data in our state-of-the-art Bloomberg Financial Market Suites. You'll apply economic theory to real-world businesses, evaluating trends and supporting effective decision-making. You'll study how businesses emerge, operate and grow, exploring their interactions with employees, consumers, competitors and regulators. Taught by academics with professional experience, the course provides a dynamic learning experience where you will develop essential skills in data analysis, problem solving, presentations and negotiations. You'll also have the opportunity to take a year-long study abroad or placement year between your second and third year, gaining international or professional experience. You'll also benefit from access to Zone 29, the university's home of careers and enterprise. This course prepares you for a wide range of roles, such as account manager, analyst, business development executive, or management consultant. Graduates from the business school have gone on to work for Boxington Corporate Finance, Goldman Sachs, and the Government Economic Service.